Okay, quickly now, before I lose my lighting, I'm going to try and lift this just a tiny bit. We are looking at the connection for the wheel hub through the pedal shaft area for the Cyclamatic CX2. And I am trying to scoot in here where I can work again and run out of space for myself. Alright, so here's the downside of getting a $550 bicycle. First off, 200 miles later, the posts are snapping, which is, great. How's that view again? So what I'm trying to do here is free up this wire right here. This one. And I've been able to follow that from the end of the hub motor into here, ensuring that it is indeed the one that I need to do. So we got yellow to yellow, blue to blue, weird greenish color to weird greenish color, and the rest of them come to this bit here. So I'm squeezing the sides of this and hoping that that's the right answer here. Yep. Alright, so that's that multi-set. These ones have little, like, waterproof gaskets over them. They're see-through. It genuinely looks like I should be able to just pull. So we're going to try. Maybe I'll slide this. Yeah, there we go. Okay. What am I looking at here? That is really in there. I'm gonna just pry it a little and then pull. Nope. Not soldered. Should release. See if it's just that one being difficult. It moved a little. Let me get in at the greenish colored one here then. These seem to be crimped. They are not releasing easily. Yeah, so the only one that was easy to take apart was this one. Oh, of note, first step, take out the batteries so you don't freaking electrocute yourself. Well, I'm going to go back in and watch the Bellic spike instructions and be back. I'm hitting pause. Alright, so I went and watched what I'm supposed to do here. I'm trying to sit on the chair, but I'm just not close enough if I do. Yeah. I will link the reference video that I just looked at for this. But what he's doing in the Volano Electrobike tutorial is uncrimping this, which was a matter of holding here and rotating this a couple times. You can maybe, sorry for bumping the thing. You might hear my kitten crying at us. Okay. Seems promising. Yeah. So I held this piece right here stable so that the wire wouldn't come out. And then I dragged the pliers. I got a needle nose and I got like standard pliers, is what he called them. I grabbed here and just rotated. So we're going to repeat. Alright, excellent. So far, and I think I'm going to end up getting a piece of tape and taping the ones that need to be reattached gently back together. In fact, I will. I'll do that right now. Hold on, I'm going to pause you again. Okay. So what I brought was some real gentle yellow painter's tape. And this will just be to mark off what I'm looking for when I get back in here. Because I have to run the wheel to a bike shop to get my spokes measured. And I may even have to get the spokes out of there, you know. I'm gonna go real gentle here. Did that do it? Not quite, no. Okay. There we go again. And I'll obviously have to crimp these back down. You can probably still hear my kitten. I'll obviously have to crimp these back down to replace them in their mountings, reset them for conductivity. This is not easy. This is annoyingly not easy. If you know which toolbox I busted into to get this tool from, put it in the comments. Try this a little bit different than what he showed. See if it's any easier. Yes, that was easier. All right, 3, 2, 1. That was your chance to put it in the comments if you were going to. This is out of my jewelry box. That is for wire coiling. And it was a lot easier than using standard pliers. So, I'm going to try that one more time. And again, remember, first order of business, that battery is off. Removed, because otherwise this is electrified. You don't want to count on it being just like off. Alright, so what I'm doing is getting in the base of this flange with the pointy part and pressing. Make sure that its trajectory, if it lets go, is away from like your hand. I'm still gripping the base with Oop. Not going as smoothly this time either. Maybe it was the combination of the two. Ah, see that one, it gripped real well. Okay, so this wire, now that it's free, I brought out my wire cutters, right? I know I did. Ah, good, yeah, they're on the other side. Me and the tripod, we're gonna go on the other side of the bike. Now that that wire's free, Now you heard me mention wire cutters. Scissors would be doable too. But on the Cyclamatics there is just one zip tie right here. Right here. And you don't want to cut the wires, so you just sneak it in between the wires. Lifting that up and away to make sure you're not risking cutting the wires. And you see both my wires are intact. And then up in here, let's see. All right, are you ready for a really strange... Actually, let me pause you, and I'm going to rotate the camera, and we're going to look from underneath here. Hold on. Okay. So this cable just needs unhooked from this side. Ooh, this is fun, huh? So you're unhooking it from that grip by unlooping it from one side. It's difficult. Alright, and then now you can see that wire is completely free. Free and clear. Which is nice. That's good news. The only thing that's left to do is slide this rubber gasket down onto the wire. And you have access to both of the rear wheel bolts. And at this point, removing the rear wheel is just like removing any bicycle rear wheel. Loosen both the nuts, lift downwards, so I'm going to have to turn the bicycle upside down, and free it up from the derailleur. I hope this was helpful. I apologize that it was clumsy. This is my first time, and I am literally figuring this out as I go. So, welcome to the joyride. This is the Cyclamatic CX2 folding electric bike with broken spokes after 200 miles. So, considering I've been over its recommended weight with what's on the bike every time I've ridden it for those 200 miles, yeah, that's kind of my fault. I can't really complain. So here's hoping the spoke project goes well. Maybe I'll be able to check back in on that. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.